Holy moly, friends. This is Potato Patty 2 Mid coming to you from her home in Nova Scotia, Canada. It's not April 1st, it's April 4th. And look outdoors. Richard's work was cancelled. They called him last night to cancel. Yep. He's over there to the house now. We just got off of the phone. He went over there about 9 o'clock. I heard him, but I didn't feel... I was too tired to yell at him. Yeah. Maybe that's the reason it keeps snowing, because I left that tree out there and that snowman. Okay, girls. Yeah. Oh, those babies. Oh, you want your breakfast? Oh. There you go. There's your breakfast. You coming, Missy? Good girl. Good girls. There's out this window. The van's getting covered. Poor man's fertilizer. Snow. Sticking to the trees could mean power outage. But we got that generator. It's 25 after 11. Still snowing. It's not amounting to very much more, but you can see it's still snowing. Yep. It's still snowing. I might as well eat one of these bananas here. Here I am getting my brunch ready. A cup of peas and corn and potatoes. I don't think that's a pound, but I'm going to chop this up in it. I'm going to have this after. Then I'm going to put tomatoes in. Up to a half a cup. Can, I don't know yet. I won't know until I start putting it in. Maybe these grapes, I don't know. Oh yeah, these are my computer glasses. not enough food. I'm gonna get some pickles too, maybe. I should have had this in it before I put it in the microwave. Oh my goodness. It was out there in that cold porch. So. I'm going to put it back in. I'll mingle and Mary first. Oh, you can't see me. I'll fix it just a minute. Back in the microwave. Just 1 minute this time. We used to do this one when I was a teenager. I must improve my best. You take your palms and push them together like that. You can feel it in your arms and your chest muscles. But nothing's going to make them bigger. They just strengthen the muscles in under. And then this one, pulling. Pull it on your fingers like that. Oh, my nerves. I got two sweet potatoes. I'm going to wash them up and cook them. Richard's peeling 10 more pounds. Yeah. And then I'll cook these and fill up the baking dish with the white one. Yeah, I didn't realize these sweet potatoes had a smell, but they do. Not right as I'm cutting them right then, but after they sit, it smelled like a very strong oniony smell to me, but must have learned. Oh yeah, red earrings today. I haven't worn red for a long time. I got on my black camisole that I love. Between the three of them, I keep rotating them. Love them. I chopped up that cucumber, and I forgot to turn the camera on. Now I'm mingling and marrying. I put a sprinkle of garlic, freeze-dried garlic in here too. First bite, going in. You better be awake because here comes Mama. Good girl. She's such a good girl. Hi, Curly. I mean, Rosie. Curly's in the van. This is my dessert. Those grapes and that banana. It's 1:15. Not very cold out. It looks like slush. Yeah. What a beautiful specimen. What a beautiful specimen. Okay, I gotta finish editing a video. Callie! Missy! Oh, just getting up from laying down. Still snowing. 3:30. Looks like a blizzard. Not very much. An inch or so. Oh, my battery. She was on my back and she was on my hip. Okay, supper's gonna be those baked potatoes, the rest of the tomatoes, and a bunch of broccoli and cauliflower. There's no problem eating a pound of broccoli and cauliflower. Anyway, and I added the tomatoes to it, and it was delicious, of course. Here it is, all mingled and married. Here we are at 7 o'clock. The storm is over. It'll all be melting now. There's the beautiful sun going down over Richie's house over there. Makes a big, beautiful picture, doesn't it? I just finished eating, and I gotta get this here video I've been working on all day. I gotta get that up, and this wants to come on me. Don't you? Uh-oh. Here it comes. She acts strange sometimes. Like she's doing things that copy Callie now. Don't ya? Yeah. What a difference a day makes. He did cover the truck over with the wood on the back of it, though. What a difference a day makes. I washed this basket of Richie's clothes earlier today. He, before 4 years ago, he put strings on these for me because I didn't have the strength to pick them up or carry them. So he put them on and I would just drag them like this. I don't have to now, but I'm just showing you how. I used to drag it like this, right out to the dryer. Yep, I don't have to anymore. Non-scale victory. Oh, it's cold down there. That snow won't last for long. Nope. I close this curtain over here because it's blinding me. It's lovely, don't get me wrong, but it is blinding. That's alright. Mommy will open it after a few minutes when the sun goes down. Callie! What a beautiful girl! Where's Mommy's little girl over there? Here we go. It's nearly 8 o'clock. 10 to 8. The sun is going to set in Sable River. One of my friends hiking and camping and skiing and canoeing and all that friends said that Sable River used to be called Sandy River. Back when the Native Americans, the Native Indians named it. Now whether that's right or not, I don't know. I never ever researched it or anything, but anyway, I'm almost done editing this to the end, and I'll probably get that up tonight too. Tomorrow I'll start fresh. Maybe I'll dig up an old mukbang or something to put it on. Yeah, I don't think I'll get out and work in the wood because there'll still be snow on it. And it'll be wet, so I'll wait. Yeah. I'll just put some music to the end here with this sunset. Well, before I do, lately I've been wanting to eat more. I know when I measure out my food, I know that's enough food to sustain me until the next meal, however many hours that is. Like from, say, 6 o'clock until 12. That's 12 hours? No, 12 to 12 is 12 hours. So 6. And 6 is 12. So 18 hours. That's how long I intermittent fast overnight. My window closes at 6. Unless I'm somewhere and I have to start late. But, yeah. Okay, the warning has ended. The snowstorm warning has ended. Good news. I already saw that. Looking out the window here. Yeah, so, yeah, but I've been feeling like I want to eat more. And it's not because I need to eat more. It's just the feeling I want to. But I don't. If I know I've had enough to sustain me, I don't. And this is where it's a little hard, and I'm kind of white-knuckling it. It's not like I'm craving any one food. It just feels like I want to eat more. I love eating. Yeah, I do. I love eating. And that strip is getting brighter reddish there in those clouds. I don't see a light on it. Richie's over there, so he must be, maybe he's asleep. Sometimes he falls asleep over there, doesn't he, Callie? Yeah. Usually it's late at night. I call him at 12 o'clock and wake him up, and he comes home and goes to bed. And there's a seagull going across way over there. Probably you guys can't see it. I saw 3 geese go over earlier today, but I was nowhere near getting my camera here. We got our name on the list to have our garden tilled under. Yeah. So yeah, the sky is going to get more pretty and more pretty. Prettier and prettier. I ordered the ink for the printer. I think that should be here on Wednesday. And the other... And the other one should be here tomorrow. It's going to be something I can use so I can wear my bigger tops without having to get out the sewing machine. I don't mind sewing like that, but every time when I start the sewing machine up, it heats up the oil in it, and that's all I can smell is the oil, the sewing machine oil. Yeah, so my sewing machine has been put away for probably 20 years or more. I offered it to my mom-in-law to use before, but she prefers to do it by hand, like quilts and stuff. So, anyway, everybody's different. Yeah. I'll go get a big drink of water. That should help me. It doesn't help me when I'm hungry and my stomach's empty, but if I already ate and I drink some, it'll make me fuller feeling. There we go. Tomorrow, in the next week or so, it's supposed to be warmer temperatures, so the snow is not going to last. No. It's not going to last. Oh my goodness. Oh, I wish I could sleep like normal people. My friend called me last night. It was 10 o'clock. I thought it was a little late for him, but anyway, so we get talking, and then he starts yawning, and he said, "Oh, I'm tireder than I thought." He said, "I think I got myself trained. Every time I sit on the side of the bed, I fall asleep." I said, "I wish that would happen to me." And he said, "Well, I'm not in bed all day." And I said, "I'm not either anymore. Not the last 4 years." Anyway, is this enough of the sunset? I'll let it go a few more minutes, and I'll add the music instead of talking, because I'm kind of all talked out today. Leaning on the Everlasting Arms by Zachariah Hickman. That's what I do every day, every minute, every second. Okay, that'll be it. Good night, friends. See you tomorrow, Lord willing. That bright spot out the window is the little sliver of the moon. That big paw. She was reaching her paw in the dish and flipping out food on the floor.
Leaving them out there?
What?
Leaving them out?
No, I just come to put them away, and there she was.
You want me to leave this light on, or you got a flashlight?
No, turn it off. I still got those little lights in up there. Are you done?
No. Okay.
Love you, babe.
Yep.
See you tomorrow after work.
Yep.
What are you doing, Cal? Okay, I'm showing that in your eyes. Oh. She's not done.